Hi dear 4th graders, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to explore the language lessons of Unit 5. First, we all know that verbs can be action words or linking words in sentences. For example, I am a teacher. The verb am is a linking verb. It doesn't show any action. It just shows that I am a teacher. It links I to a teacher. If I say I teach is the action verb because it shows the action of teaching. We have also learned that the verb tense changes with time. Like if I talk about a past action, I use ed or change the spelling of the verb. Like, I saw a beautiful rainbow last week. Saw is the past tense of see. We change the spelling. I finished all my assignments yesterday. Finished. I added ed because it happened yesterday. However, if I want to speak about something that I did for a time in the past but stopped doing it now, what do I use? I use something called used to plus the verb in its base form without adding anything to it. For example, when I was 9 years old, I used to play tag at school. Now, I'm not 9 anymore, and I do not play tag, and I do not go to school as a student. So, used to play, not used to played, okay? Another example, the Vikings used to fight with swords. They used to fight. It means now the Vikings do not exist anymore, and none uses swords in fights anymore because there are other weapons. Okay? Let's think of more examples. What did you used to do when you were 1? You can say, I used to cry a lot. Do I still cry now? No, but I used to cry when I was 1. I used to drink milk in a nursing bottle. Do I still use a nursing bottle? No, not anymore. So I used to drink. I used to walk and fall down. Now, I can walk regularly, but in the past, when I was 1, I used to walk and fall. Clear? So, this is how we use used to plus the verb in its base form without anything added to it to show a past action that I used to do but stopped doing it now. Okay? Now that you practice the exercises of used to in statements or telling sentences, we will move on to making questions with used to. Of course, used to refers to a past action, so we need to use the helping verb did. For example, if we have the sentence, the Vikings used to wear helmets on their heads. Okay? I want the answer to be helmets, so I start with what? Then I put did, then the subject, the Vikings. So, what did the Vikings use without D to wear on their heads? Another example. The Vikings used to swim in ponds. I want the answer to be in ponds. It's a place, so I use where. Where did the Vikings use to swim? Okay. Another example, for example, the Vikings used to eat stews. I want the answer to be stews. So I start with what did the Vikings use to eat? Clear? We use the question word, then did, then the subject, then used to, and the action verb in its base form, and we continue the sentence to make a question.